Hello dear student, I am Pooja. How are you? I hope you all are fine. Okay, so we had completed poem. Which poem? Daffodils. We had completed our poem Daffodils. Also we have seen the question. Now we will see the appreciating the poem. What is in that? Okay, so let us take one example. I wandered lonely as a crowd. Cloud. Okay. In this example, I means poet. Poet compare himself with cloud. Poet compare himself with cloud. Means there is a comparison with using as. Means this is a example of simile. When it is simile, if there is direct comparison of dissimilar things. Means here poet compare himself with cloud using as. Therefore, this is the example of simile. Means what happen in simile? Simile means it is a comparison of two dissimilar things by using as. क्या होता है सिमिली में? कंपैरिजन दो चीजों में. यूजिंग एज लाइक. यूजिंग एज लाइक. See here as means if we see that in line there is comparison with you by using as or like, we can say this line is an example of simile. Okay, clear? Simile. Next example. When all at once I saw a crowd. A host of golden daffodils. So, in this example, see, when all at once I saw a crowd, means here poet compare the daffodils with crowd and host. With crowd and host. But with not as or like. See, if you see the as or like, no. Means what we can say, if there is comparison but not using as or like, then it is metaphor. Then which figure of speech is this? Metaphor. I hope you understand. Okay. So what is simile and what is metaphor? There is comparison with as like. There is comparison but there is no as like.
No.
Okay. So this is simile and metaphor. Okay. I will explain you two more example, and remaining example you have to explain yourself or solve it yourself. Okay. There is question in your notebook, page number 14. Identify and write S for simile and M for metaphor for those sentences. If it is simile, you have to write yes, and if it is metaphor, you have to write M. Okay, so let's see first example. Tina has a beautiful puppy. It is as black as coal. It is as black as coal. Now you can tell me if it is simile or metaphor. So this is example of simile. Here as is present. So we can say this is an example of simile. But I explain you more. Tina has a beautiful puppy. It is means puppy is as black as coal. Means this puppy is compared with coal. Means there is comparison. Okay. Comparison by using as. Means it is simile. Means when there is a comparison, it will be the simile. Means with using as or like, it will be the simile. Next, second example, Rachit walks so slowly. He is the turtle of our group. He is the turtle of group. Turtle means tortoise. Okay. So here is comparison. Rachit. He means Rachit. Rachit is the turtle. Means here is the comparison of Rachit and turtle. Using as like, yes or no? No, we can't say see there as or like. So means there is a comparison but not using as or like. Means this is an example of metaphor. I hope you understand. Okay, so there are two examples. I explain you. Remaining examples you have to solve. So try to solve. Thank you.